Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Hello.
Yeah,
Hello.
hi, ma'am. Hi,
Uh,
ma'am.
is it audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Right. I'm going to share the screen.
Yes.
Right. Is my screen visible?
Yes, ma'am. It's clear.
Yeah. Right. Now we are going to discuss these packages. Next module. Packages we are going to discuss. In these packages, we are going to talk about what is meant by a package and how to access the members of package and how to import packages, all these things that we are going to know. Now, coming to packages, first of all, what is a package? So for that, first you need to know what is a class. What is a class? How do you define a class?
Maybe
Collection of,
yeah,
let me know.
collection of suppose fruit objects like
Yeah. A class can be defined as collection of
objects.
objects, or we can say that it is collection of variables and methods, right? That also we can say. So what we are
Yes.
writing in a class here,
Main.
this is a class. Suppose let us say it is the class
Int
is,
float.
yeah. So car is one
Char.
class.
Char int.
In this class, we are going to write some variables, that is for belongs to car. The variables are what is the model of the car, what is the color of the car, what is the brand name of the car, like that we are going to write. And coming to the methods, so acceleration of the car, speed of the car, like that we are going to write. So if you are saying this is a class, I can say that it is a collection of variables and methods. That is what we are doing in a class. We are encapsulating variables and methods. In one class, we are encapsulating the things. Is it or not? Here,
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
we are doing encapsulation. In case of class, we are doing encapsulation. So that is we are combinedly writing variables and methods, right?
Yeah.
So what is encapsulation? Encapsulation is nothing but
Package.
it is nothing but combining the things. So combining various things into combining various things in one representation. That is to be called as encapsulation. It is one of the object-oriented programming concepts. Is it or not? So what are the
Yes.
object-oriented programming concepts? Inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, encapsulation. These four are the main object-oriented programming concepts. Right. Now, we discussed inheritance. Inheritance can be obtained either by using classes or by using interfaces. We have different types of inheritances. Single inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, multi-level inheritance, multiple inheritance, hybrid inheritance, all those things. Right. So we used some keywords, extends, implements, for implementing this inheritance, for achieving this inheritance in Java. Right. And polymorphism, this also we discussed. One can be represented in many forms. So how we can achieve polymorphism in Java? By using method overloading by using method overriding and constructor overloading. These all things we discussed in our previous classes. Do you remember?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes. This is to be called as polymorphism. And abstraction. Yesterday itself we discussed
We
about
discussed this.
abstraction.
Yes.
Yes. Abstraction can be achieved by using interfaces or abstract classes. We use the keyword abstract for the representation of abstract class. We use the keyword interface for defining interfaces. That abstraction can be achieved. Now, finally, the last object-oriented programming concept, encapsulation. So, if we are knowing about class, then we know about encapsulation itself, right? A class is a good example for encapsulation, for the representation of encapsulation, right? Now, that is class combines variables and methods. In the same way, package, it is a higher level encapsulation when compared to that of the class. It is a mechanism to encapsulate group of classes, subpackages, interfaces, right? So here, the packages in Java, it is a mechanism which is used to encapsulate group of classes, subpackages, and interfaces. That is, if I have written a package, suppose this is a package, this package may contain some subpackages and this package may contain some classes. It may contain some interfaces, right? By accessing this package, I can access the packages, the subpackages which are present within this package and the classes which are present in that package and the interfaces which are present in that package. So here package is a concept which shows us encapsulation in our Java programming, right? So what we have to do to create package is, all we need to do is put related classes into a single package. We need to put related classes or related interfaces into a single package. So after that, we can simply write an import class from existing packages. Whatever the existing packages that are present, from those existing packages, if I want to access any class, just we write importing of that class. We write a statement importing of that class, right? Now, how I can define a package? A package is a container of group of related classes where some classes are accessible and some are kept for internal purposes. Some classes can be kept for internal purposes and some classes can be accessed, right? We can reuse existing classes from the packages as many times as we need. So suppose I have a package. In that package, if I have a class, let us say A is my class which is present in the package. In any number of programs, suppose I have written 10 Java programs. In all the 10 Java programs, I can directly use this class. So that is reusability. Code reusability is there with the packages. The existing classes which are present in the packages can be reused for any number of times. For any number of times we can use. So package names and directory structures are closely related. Now, however, we are representing the directory structures, in the same way the package names can be represented. Now, here we are going to see types of packages. Here we have two types of packages, user-defined packages and predefined packages, that is built-in packages, right? User-defined packages means what the packages we are creating. Those are to be called as user-defined packages. Built-in packages means the packages that from the Java application programming interface that are accessible, which are accessible from Java API. Those are to be called as the built-in packages. Built-in packages examples are Swing, util, net, IO, AWT, lang, JavaX, etc. All these are the built-in packages, already predefined packages. Built-in packages are nothing but predefined packages, and our own self, we can create our own packages also, right? That are to be called as user-defined packages, right? Next, we are going to see some predefined packages. So here you can see some predefined packages. Java 1.8 contains 14 predefined packages. In those 14 predefined packages, 150 sub-packages are there. And in these 150 sub-packages, totally 7,000 predefined classes are there. And in all these 7,000 classes, 7 lakh methods are there. All these 7 lakh methods can be directly accessed by importing just those corresponding packages. Right. Here,
That means we need not prepare any code for these things.
yeah, no need of preparing, no need of writing any internal details, internal codes. Directly, I can access those methods. I can use those methods. Right.
It's
So
really
here,
very, very helpful, right?
yeah, here some packages are represented. Some packages are java.lang, java.util, java.io, java.net, java.applet. Right. Now, this package itself is having some classes, some objects, and strings, and for the representation of threads, all these things related to all these things, it is having predefined sub-packages, classes, and methods. And here, util package is having some classes related to linked lists, date, calendar, and hash tables. And all input-output streams related packages or subclasses are present in IO package. And related to network programming, URLs and sockets, all these are present in java.net. For creating the client-side programming, that is applet, so we can use this applet package. Right. Now we are going to discuss about some of these predefined packages some more clearly in our next slides. Now here you can see first one is the java.lang. So generally, basically, we use some of these packages. We cannot use all the packages all times. If I want to develop larger applications, in those cases only, majority of the packages are helpful. For developing simple applications, we use the basic packages. Here we are explaining about those basic packages. So out of those, the first one is the java.lang package. This package consists of classes that help in performing input and output operations in a program. And it also contains language support for data types and mathematical operations. So wherever you want to create a class, this package is automatically imported. Whenever you create a class in Java program, automatically the java.lang package can be imported. Right. Next, java.io. This package contains classes that specialize the input and output operations only, especially input stream readers, buffer reader classes, all these things. So we seen scanner class is there. We seen buffer reader class is there. File reading, for file reading, some streams are there, input and output streams are there. All those input and output streams are available in the java.io package. Right. Next, we are going to see the next building package, which is nothing but java.util. This package contains utilities, right, such as linked lists, trees, hash maps, etc. And the scanner class is also present in util package, right? Applet, this package is used to create applets. AWT, this package is used to create GUI designing, graphical user interfaces, and java.net, which is used for network operations. So these are the basic packages, basic building packages that we can use in our Java programming. Right. Now, creating a package. Now, suppose, for example, all these are the built-in packages. Whatever the packages that we are using earlier, we seen earlier are the built-in packages. Just simply we use the statement import. Import java.util. Just I will write like this. Import java.util. I can access whatever the classes, whatever the sub packages, whatever the interfaces that are present in the util package, just by writing the import statement. So, but if I want to create my user-defined packages, how to create the user-defined packages, that we need to see, right? Now, we use the keyword package for creating a package. So, what is the keyword that I use? Package is the keyword that I use for creating a package. Now, while creating a package, we should choose a name for the package and include a package statement along with the name at the top of every source file. At the beginning of the program itself, the package declaration should be done. That is, creation of package should be done. So here you can see that the package statement should be the first line in the source file. This should be the first line, right? How many number of packages that I want to create, all those packages should be written on the first line only. Now, suppose, for example, I want to create pack 1 of my own package. I need to write like this. Package pack 1. This should be the first line of the source code. Okay. So, in
We need to write J also.
What that?
Pack 1 and semicolon, right? That is.
Yeah, semicolon.
Okay.
So what I will write is package. Suppose my package name is pack 1. Let us say pack 1 semicolon. Right? Semicolon. This is semicolon, not J. Right? So package pack 1. So there can only be one package statement in each source file, and it applies to all types in the file. Right? Now you can see how we are importing the packages. Now, once we write a package, by importing that package, I can access the classes or the interfaces that are present in that package. Now, how to access those elements in the package? By using the keyword import statement, I need to import the package. Then I can access all the classes and interfaces which are present in that package. Now, how to write that import statement? Import package name should be written here. After writing the package name, we need to write dot asterisk, which should be terminated by semicolon. This is one way of importing the package, and this is another way of importing the package. Import package name dot class name, which is semicolon. So either this way or this way, I can access the package. If I write this way, whatever the classes that are present in the package, all those classes can be accessed. Right? Here, if I write this way, whichever the class name I written, that class only can be accessed from the package. That is, for example, this is my package, pack 1. Let us say it is having class A, class B, class C. 3 classes are there in my pack 1, right? If I want to access my package, that pack 1, what I need to write? I need to write import pack 1. If I write dot asterisk semicolon, all these classes can be accessed from this package. Suppose in my program, I don't need all these classes. Only I need just B class. In that case, just simply I can write import pack1 dot B. Pack1 dot B. Just only B class can be accessed. Right? Do you understand the difference of these two?
Class B we not mention, ma'am. Only B can be written.
Yeah, if B can be written, only
Class
this
B
class
need not
can
write.
be accessed. This class can be accessed. If I write dot asterisk, all the classes which are present in that package can be accessed. Right. So whatever the thing that I want to use, I can use. So both are correct only. Right? Do you understand?
My question is pack B you wrote.
Back.
Yeah, pack class B we need not write. Only pack B.
Dot
Class
B.
B.
No
we
need of
need not write
writing
class.
No need of writing class. Just I
Oh,
write class name there.
that's what.
Here I write
Okay.
import package name. My package name is pack1. Dot my class name. Class name is B. That I need to write. Right?
Okay.
Right.
Yeah.
That is. So this is a way of importing the packages or accessing the packages. And we need to know, in accessing the packages, we need to know some access control. So we already discussed about 4 keywords for access control in our previous classes. Those 4 keywords are private, default, protected, and public. Right? Do you remember these 4 keywords? Private,
yes, ma'am. Yes.
protected,
Yes,
and public.
yes.
These 4 keywords that we already discussed. Now, in packages also, for access control, we use these 4 keywords, right? Private, default, protected, and public. Now, where I can access, right? If it is a private class, so in the same class, we can access anything, the method or anything that can be accessed within the same class only. In the other classes, it cannot be accessed. If it is private class, within the same class only that can be accessed, right? If it is default, it can be accessed in the same class. Even it is protected or public, it can be accessed in the same class, right? So anyway, if it may be private or default or protected or public, within the same class, we can access any, whatever it may be, the access control that we are using there, we can access. But if it is private and it is present as a subclass in the same package, within the same package, if it is a subclass, if it is private, I cannot access it. If it is default or protected or public, I can access it, right? And within the same package, if it is a non-subclass, in that case also I cannot access. If it is private, otherwise I can access it. Now, in a different package, if it is a subclass, if it is private or default, I cannot access. If it is protected and public, I can access. Right. Different package and a non-subclass. If it is a non-subclass, then if it is private or default or protected, I cannot access. If it is public only, I can access. If it is present in a different package and it is a non-subclass. If it is present in a different package and if it is a subclass, even it may be protected or public, I can access. But if it is a non-subclass, if it is public only, I can access. Otherwise, I cannot access. Right. So this gives the accessing control within the same class or subclasses. Right. Now, what are the advantages of using packages? So the first advantage is reusability. I already said you that code reusability is there in the packages. While developing a project in Java, so there are few things that can be written again and again. Okay. So if we are using packages, suppose if a class to be written for 4 times or 5 times in a code, in entire code, no need of writing that same class for 4 times or 5 times. We can write that class in a package. Simply, we can access that class from that package without rewriting it. That is, code reusability is there by writing the packages. And one more thing is better organization. That is, in large Java projects, we may have several hundreds of classes. So in that case, if we group the related classes into one package, out of these hundreds of classes, if we group related classes into one package, it is clearly organized. These can be clearly organized. Suppose out of those 1,000 lines of codes, if hundreds of classes are there, some classes will be present in this package, some classes will be present in this package, some classes will be present in this, and some classes will be present in this. So all the related classes will be present in one package. That is, easily we can give accessing for those classes based on their type, which type of class that I want to access. That is related to this package. So by using this package, I can easily access, quickly locating the classes. Right, better organization of the classes. So these two are the benefits or advantages of using packages in Java. One is code reusability and other is better organization of the code. Right. And here I am going to show you a small example program, how to write programs in Java. Now here you can see, I want to write a package. Now here I have written package pack1. That should be the first line of my code. Public class. Here I have written a class animal. In this package, I want to store a class animal. That is, here, this is my package whose name is pack1. This contains class animal. This contains a class animal, right? This class animal contains a method named print. This class animal contains a method named print. Now, how I have to store this program? This program should be stored with the name of the class. That is animal.java. Animal.java. Right. Now, I want to access this animal class in another class. Now, here, I'm going to write a class package example. I'm going to write a class package example. Now, in this class, I want to access animal class and its method, right? For accessing that animal class, here, first I need to import that package, right? Import pack1. This is the name of my package. Dot. In this pack1, I want to access animal class. So here I am writing animal class, semicolon. Now, here I am writing the main method. Now I created object for the animal class, and with that object, I accessed the print method. Whatever the print method I accessed, that print method can be accessed, and this will be printed. Now, how to execute this entire program? So here, this is one Java file and this is other Java file. How to execute this entire program? So if you are not using any IDE, if you want to execute through the command prompt, so here you can choose the address. Like this, you need to execute javac -d dot animal dot java. Here, this -d represents directory. So in which directory this animal class is present, from that animal class, from that directory, animal class can be accessed and it can be compiled. Now, javac package example dot java, right? So first this is compiled, next this is compiled, next I'm going to execute this one, right? Now, since this contains only main method, there is no any main method here. So I cannot run this. I can run this only. This contains the main method. Now I am running this program. Now once I run this program, it prints like this. Whatever the print method contains, that statement can be printed. Right? Do you understand now how to write the programs in Java using packages?
Yes, ma'am. Got it.
Right. Now coming to the sub packages. What is a sub package? A package which is present inside another package is to be called as sub package. Now, how to access those sub packages? I need to write package. How to first defining the sub packages? Package name dot sub package name. Now, I want to create a package called mypack. Within this package, I want to create a sub-package pack1. Right. Here you can see package mypack dot pack1. How it will be created? First, a package is created. This package name is mypack. Within this package, another package will be created. This package name is pack1, right? This package may contain some classes, some interfaces. This outer package contains a sub package and it may contain some classes and some interfaces as well, right? Now, this is the way of defining sub packages, right? Next, how to import sub packages? Just simply import package name, sub package name dot asterisk. Suppose if I write simply mypack dot asterisk, this is one way and this is other way. For the above example, whatever the example we discussed earlier. So for this example, I can access the sub package in two ways. So this is one minute. Oh, what happened? It's not writing. Yeah. Yeah. Now, this is my pack, let us say, and this is pack1, let us say. Here I have A, B classes. Here I have C, D classes, let us say, right? Now, if I want to access all the sub-packages and classes that are present in my pack, how I can write? Simply import mypack dot asterisk. In this case, I can access pack1, I can access class C, I can access class D, which are present in my pack, right? No, here, if I want to access only pack1 from my package, in that case, how I can write? Import mypack dot pack1 dot asterisk. In this case, what I can access? I can access this pack1 data in this case. Now, here, if I want to access only a class, that also can be done. How I can done that? Import mypack dot pack1 dot a. Simply I can write. Right? Do you understand? These are the different ways of accessing packages and sub-packages.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand, right?
Yes, getting.
Right. So these are the different ways of accessing sub-packages. Now here you can see an example for explaining about these sub-packages. Now here you can see package, pack1 I created. In this pack1, I have class animal, which contains print method, right? Now here I am going to create a sub-package, package pack1 dot sub-pack1, right? Here it contains a class named 1, which contains a method print1, right? Now, here what I am going to do is import pack1 dot asterisk. With this statement, I can simply access all the sub-packages and classes which are present in pack1 that can be accessed. Now, if I write like this, pack1 dot subpack1 dot asterisk, I can access whatever the classes which are present in sub package. All those things can be accessed, right? Now class sub package example. Now here I have written the main method. Now here you can see animal class is present in which package? Pack1 package. So pack1 dot animal A, we are creating object for that class. A is equal to new pack1 dot animal. Now, where my one class is present, it is present in sub package. So, pack1 dot subpack1 dot 1 and its object name O is equal to new pack1 dot subpack1 dot 1. Now, this is executed from sub package. Now, here a dot print with this object name, I'm calling its method, and with this object name O, I'm calling its method. Right, both the methods are called. Now, when I call both these methods, these three statements will be printed. Right, this is the first statement, and this is the second statement, which will be printed from here. This is the third statement, which will be printed from here. Now, what is the procedure for executing that? Here you can see. First, this program should be saved as animal.java. Right, first this should be compiled. Next, this should be saved as one.java. Next, this will be compiled. Next, this program, which is saved as subpackage example.java. First, that will be compiled. And then that will be run. When I run this, so it executes all the three statements. One statement is printed from this print statement, and one statement is printed from this method, and the other statement is printed from this method. Those three statements will be printed here. Right. Do you understand how packages can be accessed? How sub packages can be executed?
Yes, ma'am. Got it.
Right. Right. Now I'll show you a simple execution. It is possible. I'll show you the execution in command prompt. Now here I'm going to share you my entire screen. See, right? Is it visible, my screen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Right. Now here I have written a program. Do you see this program? Package pack1.
Yes,
Public
package
animal.
pack1. Yeah.
Yeah. Now I need to save this as, how I have to save this as animal.java. Animal.java. I'm going to save it as
Okay.
animal.java. So I need to select it as all files. So where I need to save it, I need to create a package called pack1. So within this pack1, I need to save this file. Right. Now my animal file was saved. Right. Now I want to create another program for accessing this package. I'm going to take new file. Now here it should be saved with package example. Save as. Now here I want to save it in the desktop. Package example dot Java. This also be saved as all files. Save. So, right, my both the programs are saved. In one program, I created the package. In another program, I imported the package. Right? This here I imported the package. In the earlier, I created the package. Right? Now I'm going to take the command prompt. So I want to change my directory to the desktop, where the desktop is located. It is not finding. I'll check once my desktop path and I will show you the execution. What is the location of my desktop that I need to find? Where my path 1 is present. Yeah, this is here is my path 1 is present. This PC and desktop. It's not finding the path. Okay, I'll try to save all these things in D. Need to use these things. This thing. Oh, it is not finding. So in D, I'm going to run D drive. I'm choosing because it is not running here. That's why I'm choosing the D drive.
Okay.
So here my pack 1 is there. Now I need to save this file also in here only. Save as all files in D drive as .java saved. Now here you can see in D drive I saved, right? Now I want to run the program through D drive only, right? Now how to run this program? I already said you that we need to use the command -d. So that -d command I am using Java C space -d dot animal dot Java. Now here what is it is saying? File not found. 1 minute. That pack 1. Yeah, if I used this one. Yeah, now my file is compiled. See here. Java C -d dot animal dot Java, which was compiled now. So now by this compilation, it created a class file. Now here animal is there. In this animal, pack 1 was created and its class file was created, right? Now I want to run the next file, which is nothing but package example. Right? That can be run by using Java C. First compilation need to be done. Now here I'm going to do the compilation. So now here I need to change the path again. Yeah. So it was compiled. Now I'm going to run the program. One minute. Sorry. Small mistake. Enter. Now here you can see this is animal class from package pack 1. Do you understand how it is executed?
Yes, ma'am. Getting
now
it.
Here actually this package example, in this package example, I have not written animal class.
But it is picking up from
imported.
the package.
Just animal class is imported. But from this execution, I executed package example, right? From this
Correct.
execution, animal class method, what printed, that was printed, right? Now, in the same way, I can access the same class in number of programs. Suppose same animal class, I want to access in another program. Now, I'm going to write another example. So, here, I'm going to write its class name as CDOE pack. Like that, I am writing class name. Same animal I am going to access here, right?
Yes.
Dot Java, all files, save. Now I saved my program here, CDOE pack, right? Now I want
Yes.
to run. Now I want to run that Java C CDOE pack dot Java. First I'm doing compilation. Now it was compiled. Now I want to do execution. Running the program. Now here you can see, this is animal class from package pack 1.
Pack 1.
Yeah, from that package, now in the second program, this is the first program, this is the second program. In both the programs, I accessed the animal class.
Correct.
So this is the reusability, code reusability. Do you understand this code
Yes.
reusability?
Yes, ma'am.
In like this, here I used the same class in two programs.
Correct.
This same class can be used in any number of programs. I can write any number of classes in a package. Now, in pack 1, I have written animal.java, right?
Correct.
Now, in pack 1 itself, I can write another class also. That class can also be accessed. Now, I'm going to write one more class in pack 1. I'm going to write bird, right? So, here I'm going to write print2 method. This is bird class from package pack 1, right? Now, I'm going to save this. Save as. How to save this one? Bird.java. Save. I saved. Right. Now, I want to compile this. Java C space -d dot space bird dot Java. Now it was compiled. Now here you can see pack 1. Here you can see animal class is there. Bird class is there. Right. Do you understand? Both the classes are there.
Yes, ma'am.
In this package, both the classes are there. Now, can I access bird class in any of the other program?
Yes, we can.
Now, here I am going to access that bird class. Bird B is equal to new
bird.
Now, here I am writing object for that bird class. Now, I want to access that bird class print method. Print2. There I written print2 method. Print2. Right. Now, I want to save this. Now I want to run again this. Java C space. What is my program name? Bird dot.
Bird dot.
1 minute. Bird, is it bird or code pack? CDOE pack kada? Already bird.java I run. CDOE Java. Is it right?
Code.java, I think.
CDOE pack.
Code pack. Okay.
CDOE pack dot Java. It was compiled. Now it is showing one bad source file. Cannot access bird. Why it cannot be accessed bird? Whether I imported that package or not. Yeah, here I imported only animal. Now I have to write asterisk. Right?
Yes, yes.
By writing asterisk, I can access both.
Again run.
Now it is showing again error. Cannot access bird by the file doesn't contain class bird. It contains class bird. Subdirectory, please remove or make sure it appears in the correct subdirectory of the source path. 1 minute, I'll show you.
Yes, ma'am.
Package pack 1. From here only I'm running the program. CDOE is run. The class is there. This one. Here it is getting 1 minute. CD space pack 1. Now here Java C space -d dot bar dot Java. Yeah, it is running now. Java C space CDOE pack dot Java. Now it is showing again. It is showing error. I couldn't understand. 1 minute. 1 minute. We will write like this. Animal. Both I want to access. I have written both. Yeah, now it is compiled. See, now we are going to run the program. CDOE pack. Now here you can see, this is animal class from package pack 1. This is bird class from package pack 1, right?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Do you see?
Yes,
Now,
it's coming very
just only we changed pack 1.animal, pack 1.bird, both separately accessed. Sometimes what happens means if all the Java files are not properly installed in the system, with the asterisk, they cannot access all the files. The same thing is happened in my system. That is, Java is not completely installed in my system. That's why it is showing problem. But even without writing this separate accessing also, we can access, right? The asterisk we can access, but there is some problem with my system only, right? That's why we are seeing this problem, right? Do you understand how we executed?
Yes, ma'am. Clearly understood.
Right, right. This is about the packages. This is about how to use packages in Java, how to create packages, how to create sub-packages, and how to access the classes and methods from those packages. So I hope that you understand. Practice it. If you don't understand, again, I'll explain. Okay?
Definitely, I'll practice, ma'am. This is very interesting also.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks.
Okay. Shall we wind up the session?
Yes, ma'am. Thanks a lot.
Oh, thank you.
Have a great Sunday evening. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.